Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Rachel and today we are going to make the Red-Headed Rita. This is one of our most popular martinis in our restaurants and we wanted to share it with you to make at home. First thing we're going to need is some El Mayor tequila. You can use whatever tequila you prefer. Next we're going to bring in our orange, which is going to be a Cointreau, which is an orange peel liqueur. Some fresh citrus would include lemon, lime, and a little bit of simple syrup. We call this our sour mix. And that beautiful color is going to come from our Wonderful pomegranate juice, which adds tartness to the martini as well. Now we're going to shake. One really awesome feature for this cocktail is really how you're going to garnish it. We're going to use a sugar rim because it's my personal favorite. That sweetness of the sugar adds a little offsetness to the tart in the pomegranate juice. We've got some other really fun ideas for you as well. This is going to be a lava black salt. We also have Himalayan pink salt. Here we have natural sugar. You can also use sugar in the raw or any sort of flavored sugar that you come across. Be creative. This is really for you at home, so enjoy it with friends and family. We'll strain that right into our martini glass. And there it is, the Red-Headed Rita. Enjoy. For more recipes and techniques, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel. Tell us what other videos you'd like to see as well in the comments section. Cheers!